Hey, good morning, everybody. How are you? Happy Thursday to you. Happy day before Friday. Hey, Carly, Ed, good morning. Hey, Carol, good morning. Man, yesterday we had this big ugly candle. Woke up this morning and looked at the futures, and holy cow, what a surprise. Anything between the 465.35 and pretty much 474.65 up here. This is just going to chop around a little bit. I mean, we seem a little bullish this morning, but we really could just kind of chop around. We could break out. This market's been pretty darn crazy. No doubt about it. Mostly the chart that I want to look at this morning, at least in the beginning here, is this dark chart. I'm going to show you, let's see, let's get over there. I'm going to show you chop and confusion in the market. And no price, we don't care what price does. Let's follow the trend. Price is just an entry mechanism. It's just, the hard right edge, you got price action over here. This is what we look for buying and selling maybe. But overall, we want the trend working in our favor, whether our favor is up or whether our favor is down. And the daily chart looks pretty good right here. But if we come over here to the hourly chart, look what's happening. This is a sign of chop. I've spoke a couple times. Let's see, make sure I get this right. There we go. In the past, I've spoke a couple times about this, the turn, and the turn is where most people lose money. Sorry, I'm having trouble talking, thinking, and clicking the right button here. The turn is where most people start to lose money. Now, the daily, if you look at the daily, just this, no price. Now, we know price is not great in here. We know this. But we're still holding a bullish trend. The hourly chart, we've gone negative on a bullish trend. This is starting a bearish trend. This could be the first sign of that daily starting to cave in. If anything, and if it's not, if this turns around and comes back up, this is still telling us there's chop in there. So chop is a lot of volatility. It's hard to catch. Especially if you chase every little thing that pops up. So the first sign of bullishness, you jump in bullish, and then the market turns sour. Oh crap! Now you switch to shorts, and then oh crap! Then it switches back. That's chop right here, and we can do this. Let's take a look at IYT. Look at the 60-minute on IYT. Clearly a bearish sign if you follow those lines right there. You come over here to the daily, there's nothing bearish about that at all. Now, again, we know that price is not looking spectacular. We know that, but the trend is still there. And then we've got the 60-minute that's telling us, hey, we're going to chop around. That's what we're going to do. And this could be the start of that. Here, let me throw the VIX out, VXX. Look at the 60-minute on VXX. Looks great. Look at the daily. That's starting to look great. It has not turned yet. It is not, it's not really done anything that's super bullish at this point, but it sure is pointing that way. So, I'm seeing this market showing some confusion. I'm showing the VIX. It kind of has a direction. It's sort of looking at that direction. XLI, the industrials. Overall, the chart is still trending, but the hourly might be telling something else. FNGU, I haven't even looked at that one this morning. FNGU, 60-minute, it's starting to break down a little bit, but yet the daily still looks great. To me, this is a clear sign of chop in the market. Just kind of, let's see, did I do that? No, okay. Oh, I didn't do it there. So anyway, it's just a clear sign in the market that we, a lot, this chop, this I don't know, hard to trade for me. So anyway, I just wanted to point that out. I would keep an eye on maybe that 60-minute chart to see if it doesn't follow through. And we'll see it right here in the daily. Bottom line, if we can't break out, we're just floating in here, right through here. So right now the bulls seem to like it. We'll see what happens, okay? As far as charts to trade, I'm still bullish overall in the market. And I've been picking out from yesterday's charts, some of yesterday's charts, and then this morning, the scanner's been tossing out a few that are showing up that are looking pretty good. KMX, it may be too high to be trading now, but boy, that's one I would want on my watch list. Wait for a pullback, and take a look at that on a pullback. That might be something worthwhile here. Let's look at GNRC real quick. GNRC. Ooh, that's a nice one. I'm going to flag that. That's not on my list over here. Look at GNRC. Beautiful trend. Nice consolidation in here. Target 151 up there. Just these highs. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. MU ended up reporting pretty good. So let's keep an eye on MU. I don't know if I want to chase it this high, but if it did start to pull back a little bit, MU might be one to take a look at. Mitch. I think Mitch is setting up nice. Rounded bottom breakout. We pop up. We're just consolidating in here. Now, there's a couple ways to trade Mitch. It's definitely, let's do it this way. Without any tools, and you'll see what I mean in a second. Without any tools, Mitch could certainly be bought right in here, or you could wait for a breakout, okay? With the tools, now here's where LTA is going to get a pitch, all right? I can, this is not LTA, this is just a TC2000 watch list. But Mitch is on the watch list. I can catch Mitch starting to move. At least I have the tool that I may not see it. I might be drinking coffee and not see it. But what happens is the scanner will show me that the buyers are stepping in, and then I can choose to buy it. Or I can just blindly buy it right in this area right here, which would be perfectly fine. But I say, you want to be buying when the buyers are buying it. That's what I like to do, I guess. Either way, Mitch is set up. I would keep an eye on that. How's that? Baba. I think Baba's still a nice chart. It's just putting in this little bottom. I still think we've got to move to the 50-period moving average and then possibly to the 200 up here. SEDG, just moving sideways. This is one, let's see if I can get this over. There we go. Moving sideways. We just want, where's that entry? That's what we're going to be looking for. And that entry, this is what I'm going to be pretty much looking for. And I could probably draw this up a little bit more. So that entry is in this area somewhere. So you can either, blindly, and blindly is a bad word. I shouldn't use that. If you see it setting up, there's the entry, like a 3/8 trap below the highest high in 5 days. And then you're looking for that extension. So here we've rallied, we've rested, now we're looking for that extension or continuation on that trend. So take the trend indicator, all right? Trend indicator's trending. I want that extension is what I want. So I want this to extend up and just follow that trend right there. Tesla, I noticed Tesla this morning, it's not doing too bad. Tesla had a rotten day yesterday. But it's just a normal little pullback. It really is. Ugly candle. Overall, the market stunk yesterday going into the close. It really took a nosedive. But then this morning, everything's kind of smoothing out. A little bit of calmness this morning, it looks like to me. And Tesla's really holding up well. So I'm going to have to keep an eye on that. PACB. This is one I did a video, and if you didn't receive that video, we'll have to let me know, and we'll try to fix that for you. But our stop, maybe if you bought it, I don't know, maybe you got stopped out on that low, maybe not, but it came right down to that stop area, boom, And now we've got this inside day going on. Target is still going to be about 1180 up there. So PACB is still looking good. I know there's a lot of folks here trading Chewy. Nah, I'm not sure I want to be a buyer up here on Chewy, but on a little bit of rest, absolutely, absolutely. Meta's still going. Meta's still moving. All right, rather than go finish these, if I've got 3 or 4 minutes here. If you guys have some charts you want to look at, I thought I would try to split it up. Charts I have and charts you have. Maybe I'll try to do that every day. So if you guys have anything you want to throw out there, please do that. Amazon. Look at Amazon. Amazon is still working. Very nice trend on Amazon. Nice little pullback here. Bulls are stepping in here. CCI. If CCI can break out and hold, I think this would be a nice move to the upside. Good chart. This is an excellent chart showing lows and highs and higher lows, higher highs, higher lows, and so on. Nice little swing to the downside, and we're looking for that next move up. SCHW, I'm still waiting for an entry on this. I think this goes higher. I think this comes back up and tests these highs, and then possibly the highs over here. Just waiting for that best entry right in here. Take a look at TLT. Look at here. Let's get rid of all this. There we go. Look at TLT. Trend still moving. Excellent here. CRM. CRM is still trending. CRM might be getting a little bit stretched maybe. And what I'm seeing here is this high, and then we just haven't had a strong breakout. So just make sure we don't start slipping on CRM. But overall, the trend is good. So if there's a little bit of slippage, watch that trend. We pull back to trend and back up. All right, we'll call that good. Anyway, thanks everybody. We'll see you at the bottom of the hour. We'll get this market kicked off. Let's have a good time today. Enjoy today. Trade smart. And remember that the market could be a little wacko. So be a little careful. Know your place. Know your lane, okay? Thanks. See you in about 30.